Hey, what's up? Today we are going to talk about some of the low budget solutions for lighting a small workshop or garage like this one. And I'm going to tell you which one I like and why. So a quick search for low budget lighting for your garage or something. You're going to see these screw in units right here, but I like these tube style lights better. I've had a couple of those screw in ones fail on me, and these tube ones seem more reliable and have a number of other benefits as well. So all from one outlet, you can actually chain these together. That's what the end of them looks like on one side, receives a plug, and then all from one outlet or power strip, you can get even coverage all around your garage. You can shut them off light by light with this little toggle here. I also have some that are slightly different and have a pull chain. So I really feel like the coverage on these is better, even though each light individually runs at a lower wattage than that other screw-in style light. That 4-foot length just gives a nice even bit of light kind of everywhere you need it. They're on those chains too, so you can drop them down closer to the workstation if you really want to. I keep mine kind of close. You can also flush mount them. So trying to give you an idea here of how much light per light is coming off of these things. You can see it's quite different than a regular bulb. And you'll see that while I have the pull chain on these two lights, the other two lights have these little toggles. So of these 4 lights that I have installed right now, 2 each are from different manufacturers. One of them was a 4-pack though, so what you see here is the remaining 2 tubes of the 4-pack. I'm kind of unboxing them for you to show you how they arrive when you order them. So nice and wrapped up here, little hardware packet in the middle that's going to give you a bracket for flush mounting and some little hooks, the chain, and then the other little hook to connect to the light. And I'll do my best to show you those, though didn't do so great with the camera angles here. So there's a little hardware packet. Here is the hook that is going to anchor the light to the ceiling. You can go into a stud with these, or you can use the little drywall anchor style things that I'll hold up in a minute. There's not a whole ton of weight coming off of the light though. It's very, very light. So there's the little S-hook style thing that goes into the light, and you can adjust the height with the chains. It's pretty nice. I don't really see too much reason to flush mount them rather than just using the first setting on the chain, you know, if you just hook it on earlier. One last thing I should mention, I blew through 2 of those screw-in style work lights. They were a very harsh light from the single point they were. That said, they were very bright. These tubes have done better so far. I'm hoping they'll last longer. One pair has lasted at least as long as the other units I was using, the screw-in ones, and then this new pair, don't know yet, but hoping for the best. Hey, if I missed anything, let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching. Peace.